Hi everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials, where we simplify writing one step at a time. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through writing a transcript request letter, a super important document for students and graduates alike. Whether you need your transcript for a graduate school application, a job, or any other reason, knowing how to write this type of letter ensures your request is processed smoothly and quickly. I'll break down each section of the letter so that you know exactly what to include and why. Let's get started. Header section, sender's information. The letter begins with your personal details at the top. Let's look at the example. Sophia Turner, 789 Maple Street, Austin, Texas, 73301. Sophia.turner@email.com, 555-6789012. This section is called the header, and it's where you provide your full name, address, email, and phone number. Why is this important? Because it helps the university or institution identify you and have a way to contact you if needed. When writing your own request, make sure every detail here is accurate, especially your email and phone number. You don't want to miss an important update about your transcript because of a typo. Date and recipient's information. Next, you include the date and the details of the recipient. In this case, November 15th, 2024. Office of the Registrar, University of Texas at Austin, 123 College Avenue, Austin, Texas, 73301. Including the date is essential because it creates a record of when you made the request. The recipient's details should be clear and formatted correctly, addressing the specific department responsible for transcripts, like the Office of the Registrar. Double-check their address. This ensures the letter reaches the right place without unnecessary delays. Subject line. Clearly state the purpose. After the recipient's information, you include a subject line. Subject. Request for official transcript. The subject line is a quick summary of why you're writing. It makes it easier for the registrar's office to prioritize your letter and understand the request at a glance. Keep it short and direct. Something like request for official transcript works perfectly. Greeting and opening paragraph. Introduce the request. The letter starts with a polite greeting. Dear Registrar, this is a formal way to address the office handling your request. Then we move into the opening paragraph. I am writing to formally request an official copy of my academic transcript from the University of Texas at Austin. I completed my Bachelor of Science in Computer Science in May 2022, and my student ID number is UT20221234. This paragraph sets the tone and provides key information up front: who you are, what you're requesting, and why. Notice how the writer mentions their degree, graduation date, and student ID number. Including your student ID is especially important because it helps the registrar's office locate your records faster. When writing your own letter, be specific and include all identifying details. It saves everyone time and minimizes back-and-forth communication. Second paragraph. Reason for the request. The next paragraph explains why the transcript is needed. I need the transcript for an upcoming graduate school application, and I would greatly appreciate it if you could process this request promptly. Please send the transcript to the following address. This is where you clearly state the purpose of your request. In this example, the writer mentions they're applying to graduate school and emphasizes the importance of prompt processing. Being clear about why you need the transcript can sometimes help expedite the process, especially if there's a tight deadline involved. Then they include the delivery address, admissions office, Stanford University, 456 University Lane, Stanford, California, 94305. Providing the full and correct address ensures the transcript is sent to the right place. If you're unsure of the address, always verify it with the institution or organization that requires your transcript. Third paragraph. Supporting documents. In this section, the writer mentions additional documents that are enclosed with the letter. Enclosed with this letter, you will find a completed transcript request form, a copy of my valid ID, and a check for the required processing fee of $15. Including a list of enclosures shows that you're prepared and have provided everything the registrar's office might need to fulfill your request. Most universities require specific documents, such as a transcript request form, ID, or payment. Make sure to check the requirements on the university's website and double-check that you've included everything before sending the letter. Closing paragraph. Gratitude and contact information. The final paragraph is polite and expresses appreciation. Thank you for your assistance. I appreciate your time and effort in handling this request, and I look forward to your confirmation once the transcript has been mailed. This is a great way to close the letter. By thanking the recipient, you show professionalism and gratitude. Asking for confirmation is also a good idea. It ensures you're informed when the transcript is on its way. Sign-off and signature. The letter ends with a simple and professional sign-off. Sincerely. Sophia Turner Sincerely is a classic choice for formal letters, and it works perfectly here. Then you sign your name underneath, which completes the letter. If you're handwriting the letter, leave space above your typed name to add your signature. And that's it. A complete professional transcript request letter. When writing your own, remember these key points. Include all identifying details, like your student ID and graduation year. Clearly explain why you need the transcript and where it should be sent. Attach all necessary supporting documents and double-check for accuracy. Thank you so much for watching Writing Tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more writing tips and step-by-step guides. Good luck with your transcript requests, and I'll see you in the next video.